It's about plus 18 degrees right now. So it's really nice and warm. I don't know how I'm gonna survive with the mask.
Now.
It's gonna be really hard to survive with a mask when you know it becomes 27. Oh, we'll get the sunburn just like the mask, the eyes, you know, ninja sunburn. So we are passing by Üsküdar Çayısı.
Üsküdar Çayısı, yes.
So they are open as well. As you see, people are inside. So the rule is that the restaurants are allowed to be open at 50% capacity. That means simply that the tables are wider spread out and they just don't fill up with the maximum capacity. What's the next restaurant we're gonna visit, sweetheart?
Another Üsküdar Çayısı, and then we have this Sokak Bistro, and then Komşu.
Komşu, yes, Komşu. Greetings from Costa Rica. Oh, that is very nice.
I've been in Costa Rica.
Yeah?
Yes. I forgot the port name.
Costa Rica.
Yeah.
What's the port name?
I forgot.
So we used to work on cruise ships, and we go to different ports, but I have never been to Costa Rica myself. So looks like there's another Üsküdar Çayısı right here, and it's also open. And we are right next to Domino's Pizza. It's so nice to see restaurants open again, you know, it's like the whole new life back to Kuşadası again. This is really, really nice feeling. Greetings to Australia.
The pub, and then Sokak Bistro.
Very nice. Yes, Rob. Rob says it's good to see the buzz returning to Kuşadası. Definitely it is something. The feeling is just so awesome. Sokak Bistro and Lounge right here. So this is where
This is Sokak Bistro. There was one follower, you know, she was keep asking.
Yeah?
Yes.
So there you go. If you are the follower that knows this place, this is it. It's very nice. All the restaurants are open. Hey, how are you?
No. This is Komşu. We were coming to breakfast.
Komşu. It's like my favorite.
Merhaba.
On this line. We often come here for breakfast. Now it's not a breakfast hour, but still very nice. Kolay gelsin. Anyone who likes komşu, put a like. Good morning from lockdown in Scotland. Oh, you have lockdown right now? So our weekend lockdowns have been lifted, actually, which is amazing. And so it's really, really nice. It's gonna be the first weekend, this weekend, tomorrow, when we don't have lockdown, when we can actually go out. It's super nice. Look how professionally Mustafa muted himself while on a call.
Now I'm back, yeah?
You're back, yeah. Very nice. This is another pub right here. All of these pubs and restaurants have beautiful sea views. And there is Mado right here as well. Oh, I'm coming to buy a villa. That is great. Wait, you guys, I need to change something up. Just a moment, all right? So let me just put the camera on a nice... Sweetheart, can you wait for me? I need to adjust something. All right. Okay, I will not do that this time. Okay, next time I will know. So what happens is with the streaming, I don't see I don't see the names very well because the sun is so bright. The names for me come quite dark. So next time what I will do is I will change the color. All the technical setups. So here's inside Mado. This is what it looks like. You remember the ice cream and the breakfast that you can have here. Very well. Someone says, Paula, everywhere you go, your food is your favorite. Because we go to so many, like Kumsal is my other favorite. And I could tell you so many favorite places. Feslen, the homemade food is my favorite. Jandan for tea.
This burger shop, I heard they're doing very good job.
Oh, is this new?
Yeah.
RT Burger House.
It's like Mexican style burgers.
That's interesting new shop. Very nice.
My brother likes that.
Here, little shop. Let's buy the shop and make a restaurant. Because it just makes sense. All the restaurants and I one shop. What? It's like a little bit out of the ordinary. Beydoner. Mustafa just keeps getting phone call after phone call. Very busy man. So this is where they have kebabs. It's nice to see people enjoying. And here's how busy the city looks like right now. There's a little bit of hustle. People are enjoying walking by the seaside. As I said, it's plus 18. You could take your jacket off. Like right now, I'm just wearing one layer. So it's really not completely a short sleeve thing, but you could just be with one sweater and you will be fine. Very, very comfortable. Look at the sky, it doesn't even have one single cloud here. So don't forget to look to this way when you're crossing. It's not from the other way.
Actually, check both ways, then you
check
cross.
both ways because sometimes they still come the other way. So you know. So you're selling corn?
He has boiled corns like that.
Oh, look at this.
Then put some spices, Turkish herbs.
Oh.
Become very nice.
Very nice. Bye, kolay gelsin. Very nice. So here in this area, this is when the restaurants were closed, we would come and eat our takeout food. And it would be usually so busy that you barely find any space to sit with social distancing. As you see right now, it's fairly empty. People are sitting in the restaurants. It used to be really overcrowded here on any day of the week, middle of the week. This is a beautiful place to watch the sea and especially the sunset. Oh, wish we were here. It's 3 degrees in Scotland. Oh wow, that is very cold.
Let's order barista cafe.
Let's go check the barista truck. So there's this new thing that they did. So look, remember there used to be this tea shop on the left? Right now there is no more tea shop. You know, the government tea shop.
They will do something there. We are waiting.
They will probably put tables out there in the same area. But I mean, there is no more covered structure that was like obstructing the beautiful view of Kuşadası. So this is a new thing they're doing. They are removing all of these tea shops. It's not the only place they removed. And they're putting barista bus instead. So you just buy your tea and then probably they'll have tables. We don't know yet. So that's the new style, you know, of buying tea here. It's very nice because it's like makes you feel like a little bit older times.
Şu en küçük boy bu değil mi? Ben Amerikan alacağım da az bir Amerikan. Gerçi hepsi dolmuyor değil mi onların? Ha o kadar. Tamam, bir tane Amerikan alalım.
So what's an Americano, baby?
Uh,
Is that a black coffee?
just a coffee, yeah, filter style.
So why do you have to say Americano? What's the difference?
You can say filter coffee too.
Yeah.
Same. Americano like long press espresso, you know. You click espresso and you put hot water, it becomes Americano.
Do you add hot water to yours?
Yeah, this is already machine makes everything. Yeah, you cannot do without hot water. This whole cup. Look, there is grinding. He's ground the beans up there. Brings up down. Yeah.
Merhaba, kolay gelsin.
You see now hot water. Yes, yes.
Evet.
Öyle mi?
Aynen.
Harika diyorum. Hatta bir tane daha video çekmiştiniz buradayken.
Aynen. Görmüş ya bir de. Yes.
Çok güzel.
Teşekkürler.
O
He
bir
knows us.
popülerdi, evet. Fena değildi. YouTube'da da var şimdi.
YouTube'da mı varsınız?
YouTube,
Ireland's still in lockdown.
Instagram, TikTok,
Ailecek-
Pinterest.
Ailecek takip ediyoruz.
Sağ olun. Sağ olun. O croissant da var. Croissant da pişiriyorsunuz. Ha,
Rob
iyi.
says a bar is open too, or is it just restaurants?
Aa.
Actually, everything is open, but they all have to be
Hadi ya,
closed
iyi,
at 7
tamam.
p.m.
They have croissants here
Cheers.
too, cookies
Really?
if you want. Oh, look at this coffee, Brazilian coffee. Ne kadar bu
Yeah,
paket böyle?
cookies.
Daha onların satışları başlamadı efendim. Önümüzdeki hafta
They
başlayacak.
just brought that one. I will buy that one. Brazilian.
Filtre kahve.
Yeah.
Sweetheart, Rob is asking, a bar is open too, or is it just restaurants?
Yes, bars are open until 7 p.m.
Until 7 p.m. So if you wanna drink a beer, come early. Bye.
See you.
Kolay gelsin. So you have to drink your beer from like 6 to 7 p.m. That will feel like an evening.
Yeah, it's a little bit. I think they will do this very soon until 9.
Yeah.
That's what I feel. And then when summer comes until 12. When you guys here, you're gonna be okay. Don't worry.
Yeah. You
We
remember,
just started again, you know.
remember the I love Kuşadası sign, of
And-
course.
I heard some rumors, you know.
Yeah.
The April cruise ships are coming here.
Can you hold this? Cruise ships are coming.
Yes. You know
Really?
this
Like right now?
Celesta, you know the small cruise ships from Greek islands.
Wow, that will be very nice. We should take a cruise, baby. To like Samos Island or something. What do you think?
Yes.
Very nice, yeah?